In front of me is Realme 12x, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by launching one of your apps to use in this view and accessing it in the background. Now click on those three dots at the top right corner and select split screen. Following that, just tap on this second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you want to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and tap on home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!